Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Another story is a Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga's wife, Minnie Baloyi, has been awarded the Outstanding Clothing and Fashion Entrepreneur, a Platinum winner by Zimbabwe Business Base. The award recognizes a strong leadership and effective business practice that inspire and guide a team to achieve remarkable results. The award was given in recognition of an important contribution to the Zimbabwean business space by the board and its trustees of Zimbabwe Business Space. Minnie Baloyi Chiwenga was also recognized as a record breaker and received a mark of excellence as part of the award. The achievement shows her accomplishments in the clothing and fashion industry in Zimbabwe. For more stories, please do like and subscribe to Zimstek Media.